Here's how to fix LDPlayer getting stuck on 30%, 50%, 94%, or any other loading percentage. Right-click LDPlayer in your taskbar's Hidden Icons tray and select Exit to fully close it. Open LD Multiplayer. Search for it if it is not on your desktop. Delete your current LDPlayer instance by clicking the three dots, then Delete, then Confirm. Create a fresh one by clicking Add Instance, then New Instance, and click Start to test if it now loads correctly. If that does not help, search for Turn Windows Features On or Off. Untick Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, and Windows Hypervisor Platform, then click OK. Windows will remove them and likely prompt a restart. After restarting, check if LDPlayer now loads properly. If the problem continues, download and install the latest graphics drivers for your specific GPU brand, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. As a final step, check your BIOS. Enable SVM mode if you have an AMD CPU, or enable VTX or VTD if you have an Intel CPU. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.